Today's video is sponsored by me. Hello quilters. Today Crafty Quilt Designs is having a 25% off sale for limited time only. Sale starts on the 29th of June for 3 days only. All you need to do is choose any quilt pattern and you can get 25% off. You are looking at the popular 5 parts fat quarter quilt pattern. This is one of my most bought patterns. Here you're also looking at the random hearts quilt pattern made completely out of scraps. This is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. You can use fat quarters, cut them up into squares, or you can use scraps, yardage, Christmas bundle quilt pattern. If you've always wanted to make this quilt, we made it last Christmas. You can get your bundle for 25% off. You will be so joyed that you actually bought this one and make a Christmas quilt for July. Beautiful quilt pattern. Step-by-step tutorial for every block that you need to make. You're not going to be disappointed. Next, we're going to move on to the next beautiful quilt. You can also make individual block patterns. All block patterns 25% off. So if you want to make your own creation, you can get any of the blocks quilt pattern for 25% off. It ends in 3 days. Please get yours today. All right, 3 days you have. 29th of June starts today. Get yours now. You will not be disappointed. Here is the beautiful retro quilt pattern. This one is a stopper. Takes you back to your memories. 25% off, guys. You will not get this again. 3 days only. Beautiful, beautiful. Make one, share it with your friends and family. Absolutely gorgeous. I loved making this quilt. Again, step by step, full tutorial and pattern. All the details is in the description box. The link to the store is in the description box. The Laura Ashley quilt pattern. If you would like to make this one, comes also included with instructions to make your pillows. Very beautiful. You can make yours to your heart content, make ones for friends and family. 3 days only, 25% off. If you've ever always wanted to make it, now is the time. You're going to save yourself some pennies. 25% off is quite a lot off. The rug inspired quilt pattern. I had a joy making this one. This was beautiful. 25% off, step by step. You're going to love it. Fat quarters, fat quarters. You can use yardage again to make yours, cut yours up, follow the instructions step by step. You will not be disappointed. Such a joy making this one. 25% off again on every single quilt pattern. The modern table quilt pattern as well. So you get 25% off block patterns, quilts, table runner quilt patterns. You can get 25% off. Make yours today. And yes, stock up because 25% off for 3 days. Only 3 days. Don't get caught out. Don't leave it till later. Do it now. You will not be disappointed. And finally comes the stumbled upon quilt pattern. This was exciting to make. This one, you use a template to make this particular table runner. You can simply turn any of the table runner quilt patterns into a quilt. So make something beautiful this weekend. Sale ends in 3 days. Don't miss out. Shop now on Etsy. The link is in the description box down below. Get started today, guys. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Bye for now. Happy quilting.